We are here in Paris. We have about 30 distributors with us right now, representing 15 different distribution distributed in Europe and Asia Pacific. We wanted to make sure to bring our sales team, marketing team, our experts to work together and collaborate.
Very good experience. What I found now is that there's a couple of points that were actually quite interesting to me, is that the focus on the bioprotection. What's also very nice is that we can learn from each other. So there's quite a few distributors here from different parts of the world. Best practices is always good to know.
All the work that we can be doing together, not only bringing the marketing, the support, the material, but also the expertise, the know-how that we have, and trying to transmit that to our distributors so they're the voice, our voice in their market.